At the time of filming this, we're currently experiencing a water emergency in our community. Some parts of our community have lost access to clean water, so it's fitting that we address water as our first and most important area of preparedness. Our first line of defense for water is ensuring you have rations in your 72-hour kit. I've got these here. You should consume at least 2 of these per day to keep your body functioning, and they're designed to withstand freezing and thawing with a shelf life of up to 5 years. Our second line of defense is water storage options. You've got smaller, portable containers like the 3.5-gallon aqua brick, or larger options like a 55-gallon rain barrel. Now, you're going to need to know how to supplement your water needs by filtering water from the nearest source, like a river. You can use a tool like the extreme straw to filter directly from the river, but given the cold weather, I've gathered an aqua brick of river water to demonstrate how to filter and purify it. Now, I'm going to take this water home and show you the next steps in the process. Let's go. Stay tuned to see our future video where we'll be showing you different ways you can filter water at home. Follow us to stay prepared with our upcoming content and explore our other videos too to enhance your readiness. See you soon.